Hi everyone, welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I wanted to share with you this delicious red velvet cake topped with blackberries and roses that I made for a 16th birthday. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put it together. So for this cake, I have baked 4 layers of moist red velvet cake, and I'm using an American buttercream here that I have colored a deep red, and my cake layers are actually chilled at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill everything and give it that final layer rather than doing a crumb coat on this. Since the layers are chilled, I'm really not getting any crumbs off of it, so we really don't have to worry about that step. We'll save a little time there. But I did do the 4 layers because I want this cake to be fairly tall. So now I'm just finishing up that generous layer of icing for that final coat. And then I'm going to just fill in the sides real well and use my bench scraper to smooth this down. Now, of course, I always go back and just fill in, if I have any holes or little areas where I didn't get, enough icing in the first time. And usually you're going to have little spots like that here and there. That's kind of hard to avoid unless you just really load it up from the beginning. But here you can see I'm just filling in those gaps again and just smoothing it down. And we'll get it nice and smooth, and then I'm going to pop it in the fridge for a few minutes to let it chill as I get ready to start the final decor on the outside. Now for the black design around the base of the cake, I am using my airbrush machine for this, and I'm just kind of going around the bottom and doing some upward strokes as well. And then I'm going to go back with one of my brushes and just gently brush the black in an upward motion to kind of give it those spikes around there. So next I'm rolling out some black fondant, and this is to cover the cake board around the bottom of the cake. And I'm just rolling it out in strips and cutting strips about the size of the cake board area, and I'm just going to piece these together, and then I'll smooth it out at the seams to give it a real nice smooth look. Now I of course want to put a birthday message on the cake, and I'm also going around and just shaving off the excess from the edges of the cake board just to give it that nice clean look on the outside as well. And here I'm just adding a piece of black ribbon around the base to give it that accent. For the drip, I've made a chocolate ganache drip and just colored it with some black food coloring. And I'm going to take this around the top of the cake, not going all the way to the inside. I'm not really worried about covering the entire top because I am going to be putting the blackberries and roses on top. So here I'm just taking my offset spatula and smoothing it down to give it a nice clean look. And I'm using some of that red buttercream that I colored earlier to just pipe a birthday message on the cake board for the birthday girl. And now I'm going to add those decorations on top, and I've just started with 2 artificial roses, and I've just randomly placed them there. And I'm now placing the blackberries, and I want to fill in the top pretty generously with the blackberries, and then I'll take and put a few on the side as well, just to have something down around the side of the cake. And I'm piping a little buttercream to kind of hold those in place there. And then I'm just going to continue to fill it in till I feel like we've got it nice and full, and then it'll be ready. So here is our finished cake. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more cakes in the future. See you next time.